Well. I'm Unificent, Godmother to all kids around the world. It's so wonderful to see so many entries for the Pariszki Lockdown Project 2, where you draw a picture of what you're doing at home to help mommy and daddy. Taking this opportunity to show the world how wonderful you can be at home and yet be creative. I want to give a big hip hip hooray to the Pariszki team for creating all these interesting projects for all the kids around the world, not just in Malaysia, but around the world online. I'm going to choose my favorite, but all the entries are wonderful and they're so special. And thank you for taking so much time to do it with mommy and daddy. So good luck, all the best. Meanwhile, stay home, stay safe, stay as wonderful as you are, and create lots of memories with mommy and daddy to share when you grow up. Ciao. Mwah.